Hey, what's up, guys? I have a request from someone. I'll show you who it's from. It's from AZ and Asian Boy. Sorry for my phone. It's my dad. Well, yeah, hold on. I'll pause it and I'll be right back. Hey, I'm sorry about that. My dad. But yeah, let's get back on top. Okay, his name's Asian Boy 978. He wanted to know how, like you'll see. Hold on, let me set it on. Yeah, it's already on. You'll hear typing sounds when I type. I think, pretty sure, can't hear it, but yeah. So yeah, she just wants to know, or he wants to know how to make the typing sound. Okay, so I currently have Camtasia Studio 3 because it's free for me. You can use Camtasia Studio 5. I'm pretty sure it'll work. You might have to select some things, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so when you open Camtasia Studio, it'll say to make a recording. Okay, it'll bring up, well, for me, it'll bring up something like this. Okay, so you're gonna click View, and you're gonna press Audio Toolbar. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, and then you'll see record audio, cursor sounds, keyboard sounds, and mute. Okay, so you'll see keyboard sounds. You're just gonna click that, and when you record, you'll hear it. It's that simple. It may help some other people. Sometimes it gets annoying for me. If you like it with the typing noise, use it. Use this tutorial to your advantage. Sorry, I can't really talk, stutter a lot. I don't know why. But yeah, yeah. So that's how you do it. I'll send this video to you, and it's free for everyone to watch. Oh, it is. You can watch it if you want. It's not like you have to pay. But yeah. Okay, so subscribe, and I'll see you later.